Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about anchor tag. The purpose of anchor tag is to simply to provide linking. So the tag is a anchor tag and it is a pair tag. So opening and closing, this anchor tag simply defines a hyperlink. The purpose is to link resources from one page to another page. That is, if you want to navigate from one web page to another web page, or within a web page, or one web page to another website, so for that navigation purpose, we are using this anchor tag. Now, it provides the links in two ways: internal link and external link. What is mean by internal link? Suppose if you click on a link, if it opens in the same page, for example, if you open some website, within the website some 6 headings are there. For example, initially 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. If you click on this one, simply we are moving to the bottom of the page in the same web page. Simply we are moving to the bottom at the same web page. That is internal link. External link in the sense, if you click on this link, you are moving to a new page or you are opening another document. That is external link. That is external link. So you can use any tag, any type of link according to our requirements. What are the attributes? Href. This is the attribute which is used to provide linking. So Href simply takes the URL where we are going. The name. Anyway, the name specifies JavaScript validation purpose. Title means, suppose if a link is given, so title simply displays hovering over the link. Target means the links is open in a new window or the same window. Okay. Anyway, I will explain with one example. Anchor tag href is equal to given any link. This is the URL. Just now I copied anchor. Href is equal to I given the URL. For example, here I will type some message. Now execute. Check what happens. Copy the path. Observe some name, whatever the name I given, the name is displayed TV Nagaraju. So here observe, whenever I place the cursor here, no message is displayed. I closed this one. Just to click on this one, automatically it opens the link. Now you got the meaning of anchor tag. Anchor tag purpose is simply to navigate to another web page. Now, what are the remaining attributes? Then suppose name Raju, just for validation purpose. Title is equal to, I type one message, please click me. Now save. So in the anchor tag, what I am doing? First I given href. followed by some name, just for validation, and title. Now run back, run this one. Observe the cursor here, title. Now you got the meaning of title. Whenever you place a cursor on the message, whatever you written inside the title, that is shown to you. Please click me. Whenever you click on this one, a new window or same window, according to our target attribute is opened. So target is equal to underscore blank. Save, go to here. Now reload once again. Click. So if you are given a blank, what happened? New window is opened. If you given parent, within the same window, the link is opened. Anyway, clear? These are the attributes. What are the attributes? href, name, title, target. Now, not only a text. Up to now, what we discussed? So, linking, whenever we click on a text, remember, not only a text, you can click on image also. That means, see this one. Here, what I am doing, here I am not doing this one. So, in the anchor tag, I written some image, some src is equal to, I have one image. Close. Now observe, within the anchor tag, I written some image. Close this one. Back here. Refresh. Sorry. Paste the path. Image is there. Please click on me. If I click that image, my link is open. You got my point? So that means here you can place either a text or either an image. Text or image, not a problem. Clear? The next one is Mailto link is also available. Mailto means, I'll show you. So anchor, href, remove everything. Href is equal to Mailto colon. So here you are writing your mail ID. Simply it moves to that particular mail. For example, this one. Okay, this one. I am closing. Any message, email. Okay, mail to. Now back. Observe, click on email. So it opens some this one. Okay, so by default, not Google browser is not coming. It opened this server, this mail. Anyway, it is opened or not. By given the username and password, everything, it will be opened. Okay, now this is Mailto. Clear? Now what we discussed in anchor tag? By using anchor tag, we are providing a link through a text, through an image, or by using Mailto also. Okay, this is anchor tag. Thank you.